Remember the referee did not send off Lupopo, Mukoko. So that created the whole mess. But all in all, Pirates went on to lose on penalties. So Pirates need to accept defeat with dignity and then move on with life. Because what I'm hearing in terms of allegations is that if it's a coach, the coach does not play football. The second one, we hear of player ineligibility. Well, that is in the rules when there's player ineligibility. But PSL and CAF use the same system, which is the card. You are registered. And that when you are registered, they punch the names before the start of the match. And when a player is suspended, the system will tell. And when the match commissioner punches those names, nothing happened. So CAF will never come back and say, no, this player was suspended. Meanwhile, the system says the players were not suspended.
Where was the system when Tebogo got 2 yellows?
Remember at FIFA, they don't have that system.
Oh, FIFA versus CAF.
Yes, that's why I said different competition. Yeah. So FIFA do not have those. But when you qualify, you are required to send the names. That's when they punch the names on the system in the competition. So in the country that will be hosted. But when you play CAF Champions League, when you play Confederation Cups, players must be registered.
I've got a feeling we're going to get a lot of calls.